Well, good morning, guys. Chandler's still here.
Oh yeah.
We've been hanging out in the background, tuning this car over here. FP Green car, one of our Stage 4 motors, made 408 on pump gas. That thing's all finished up. We got nice and early today to start this thing and go out to Mexico, as I promised you guys. So we're gonna get this thing working today. Hopefully we can just do a one and done hit on good old Mexico. Make sure this thing works. What do you think? One and done?
Oh yeah, hopefully.
I freaking hope so.
Yeah.
I don't want to stay out there too long. We don't want to stay out with this heat.
You can already feel it getting warm.
Oh, it's already getting warm. Old Bob over here, he's gonna have a freaking heart attack when I let this thing warm up. 7 a.m. so we're within our noise ordinance. But I have to let this thing warm up, because if you don't, this thing ain't pulling itself on the trailer. It's just gonna be pissy. So, you guys ready for the cold start of the morning? She's got power on. Made sure to do that this time. Oh boy. Here we go. Well, there we go. We got her on the trailer. Now, just gonna get it all strapped down, grab everything that we need. Obviously, we're gonna make sure our tire pressure's good. We got our full racing suit, helmet, everything to be safe. You know, you ready?
Oh yeah.
I feel the heat coming already, so yeah. We gotta get this thing all strapped on and get to it. Bam, all locked and loaded. We are freaking ready to go out. This thing looks so good. Now I finally get the picture with the truck on the open trailer. So big shout out to Josh for letting me use this trailer. We're gonna go out. Hopefully this thing works. Hopefully my calibration on the throttle works. You hopeful?
Oh yeah.
I'm hopeful.
She'll do good.
I hope so. If not, I'm gonna pull out the rest of the hair that I don't got. So, time to get on the road. We're gonna grab some coffees and we're gonna go out to Mexico. Well, we went and got our morning coffees. Now it's ready. Go out and try to get this freaking car to work, guys. And for people that are just now tuning in and haven't watched some of our other videos, yes, we do go to the track, guys. But unfortunately, our track is closed this year. As a lot of you know, almost took out a freaking turkey just now. Our nearest racetrack is 3 hours away, and they obviously aren't running every weekend. So, and it does get expensive driving there with a car, obviously, when it works and doesn't work. Ours this year unfortunately hasn't worked, and you know, we've been driving anywhere from 3 to 7 hours to go race it. So instead of doing that, we are going to go out into the middle of nowhere, aka Mexico, and we are going to make a nice safe hit. Now, I did recalibrate the throttle on the car, because the last time we were out of it, it was having troubles with the throttle. So I did recalibrate that. Everything seems to be good now. It is syncing correctly. There is no fault codes, but I want to just verify and make sure by doing a pass in the car. It does have the stock STI transmission in it, so I'm definitely going to turn power down on launch, and I need to turn power down on launch anyways, because we're not on a prep track, we're on the street. So obviously it's going to spin, and we don't want it to spin horribly and go straight to the limiter. But the main thing for today is not so much making a fast pass on the street, it's just making sure that our throttle is going to work and the car works and goes A to B. So if it does that, then we'll load it back on the trailer and we'll be ready to go to the track on the 30th is what we're planning on. So you ready?
Oh yeah.
Thankfully I got Chandler over here to be our camera guy, show you guys today. Otherwise this would be definitely tough to be recording. So we're on our way out here, definitely going to be a bit of a drive. So as soon as we get out, we'll record about getting unloaded and start getting some heat in this thing, get the oil temps a little bit warmer than what they are right now. And I'm going to update the tune, like I said, and turn it down, and we're going to send it, see what happens. So fingers crossed, guys. I really hope this thing works because we haven't got it to work all season. So just really want it to work. Doesn't matter how fast it goes down the road, just needs to go down. Hey guys, we are out here in good old Mexico, getting ready to unload the car. I did go ahead and update the map on the car. I pulled about 10 pounds out of the launch because 1, we're on the street, 2, we have a stock transmission in this thing, so that means we have a shorter first gear than obviously our PPG dog box that we had in the car. So I think that that's going to be pretty good. It still might spin quite a bit on that, or it might bog, so I'm not too sure. We're gonna have to just find out, and the only way to find out is by doing it. I did bring some water with us, so that way we can do a good old burnout, because our slicks have plenty of rocks on them from the last track day, so I'm sure they're going to pick up rocks as we drive up there. So we'll clear the tires off and we'll start doing this. I'll let Chandler go ahead and record, but first we gotta get this thing unloaded. As you guys can see, we got the car all off the trailer, got the bumper on, and I went ahead and set tire pressure in the slicks. This thing is probably the most handy thing I've ever used. That is the part number. I use this from JR, and this thing is a must for a track day. So nice. So now we got that done, we're gonna go ahead and pull out, get some water laid down, and finally make this freaking test it, right? One thing I did forget to mention, we do have a parachute on this car, obviously, so worst case, if we have to, this thing's all set up and we're ready to pull it if we need it. Like I said, we just want to make sure the car works, so I doubt we're going to be having to need that, but I mean, it'd make a cool shot if we had someone down there at the end to have the chute pulled on this thing with it. Now I'm trying to be as safe as possible out here, so we have our full suit on, helmet, everything. The car is all warmed up in the background here. We are going to get some water out for our burnout. Go. Burnout box made. shifting in the car, because even though I was flat footing, it was still hesitant, but the throttle worked perfect in the car. Thank you, Chandler.
Oh yeah.
And I was definitely a little too much power, too much sauce, as Devin would say, for the street, because it spun pretty bad. I tried to pedal it, but dude, she is so responsive.
She left pretty good. That was a good little hit. So
excited. Now, that's it, guys. One and done. We're loading her up. I'm not gonna beat it up. You gotta turn this thing around with no power steering here, Chandler.
All right.
Oh. All right. That's it, guys. Guys, she did freaking awesome. I couldn't be happier right now. Let this thing cool down. Didn't see over the 176 coolant temps. Secondary fan kicking ass. Chandler kicking ass out there. But I'm freaking dying. I gotta get out of this suit here, guys. This thing is so freaking hot. But it worked. Definitely got to work on that flat foot shifting side of it. I still got a lot to learn with that. But the car went A to B, didn't throw any sort of codes, and I even pedaled it in first. So I mean, that tells you right there. Thank God we fixed that pedal issue, guys. And this thing is starting to work. Thank goodness. So I'm gonna get out of this suit. I'm gonna look over this log real quick, and then we're gonna get this thing loaded up. And that's it, guys. We are ready for the freaking track. Can't wait. Are you coming next time?
Oh yeah, I'll be there.
Oh, now he sees it works. He's like, oh, now I'll come.
I missed one track day.
Yeah. So let me get out of this freaking suit, guys. Gosh. So I've been letting this thing cool down in the background. You can hear the fan running probably. And I looked over the log, and the log looked freaking awesome, guys. Super happy. Car is right at the target air fuel. Everything looks great. I just need to figure out the flat foot shifting on the Motec software. So like I said, guys, still a lot to learn. Even though I was out there and I did flat foot shift the car, it definitely paused, which that's okay. That's probably perfect for the street because of how bad it spun first and second gear. So that's fine, guys. We got our test hit. We know the car works. We're ready for the track day. I can look through there, kind of dial in that flat foot. I can look over my data log too of a whole pass. That's gonna be super nice to look through, make changes I want to or need to. And now we're just gonna get the bumper off this thing, and we're gonna get it loaded back on the trailer. And that's gonna be it for this thing today. We'll see. I don't know if this might be too short of a video. I think we recorded quite a bit.
Got a bit.
So hopefully you guys are enjoying this content. I told you guys, I promised you I would bring you out, show you the good and bad, show you us testing the car. We tested it. What we did worked. I'm freaking ecstatic. I'm excited for the track day for once, going there knowing that the car will work. So super excited, guys. Let me get this bumper off and get this thing loaded. Putting Chandler to work over here.
Oh yeah.
Getting that bumper taken off. Luckily it's pretty straightforward and simple. Now we just need to take these ones off.
Oh, okay.
Upper shield. Those things off. That's gonna clear. Go right on the trailer. It's getting warm out.
It is.
We got this all done by 9 a.m. guys. Thank goodness, because it's gonna be what? How hot today?
About 100, I think it said.
Oh geez. Another day, 100 degrees, guys.
80 at 9 a.m. Jeez.
This is, yeah, it's getting pretty hot. You know, they say it's like 75 degrees on here, and you know what? It don't feel like no 75 degrees. It feels like 90 right now. So bumper's ready to come off. You wanna grab it?
Yep.
Grab each side here. See if I can do this one hand without salvage titling my shit. Hold on. Ah! I'm kinda got it. There. Pull this thing out of the way. You want to turn it sideways? Yeah. Sit her out of the way. Alright. I'll hand you guys over to Chandler. We'll get this thing pulled on the trailer. That shit ain't going nowhere. All right, we're all loaded up. We are ready to head home from Mexico. Good day.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh yeah.
Very good morning. We now have a working car. No matter how I took away from today, if the car works, I'm freaking ecstatic. But the car drove on the trailer. Everything's still there. We're ready to go to the next track day. I can make some changes on that data log.
Tranny held up.
Tranny did hold up. Old stock Tram, she's a freaking beast. Definitely has a shorter first gear, so I definitely will have to keep that in mind when we go to the track to pull some power out of the car. right now, like I said, there's quite a bit pulled out, and you saw how it reacted. I mean, it freaking blew the tires off. So
she launched good.
I'm stoked, man. This thing's freaking coming out, actually working. Guys, I can't tell you how freaking excited I am. It's hard to show emotion through a camera, definitely. You have to learn and kind of, you know, evolve with it. Devin does an awesome job. Good job, Devin. He's also been doing it for like 7 years, so I'm trying my best for you guys. I'm freaking happy. You guys have a hard time showing emotion as it is, but inside I'm jumping up and down because that was the hit I've been looking for in the car. I mean, it literally left, it connected every gear, everything felt awesome. I have a data log to use to adjust the tune. Oh no, good day. So we're gonna go back home, unload this thing again, and then take the trailer back to Josh's, and that's gonna wrap it up, guys. So let's head on back. Well, boys, she's back home in the garage, ready for the track day. So that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, seeing the transparent side that I always tell you guys we show, and getting to see us go out, see the car work, see how excited we are that it works. Now, hopefully, we can do something decent at the track, even if it just goes A to B. I don't care about a time right now. Just getting the car to work is what's important. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoy seeing Chandler again.
Yeah, it's always fun hanging out.
That's gonna wrap it up. I'll see you guys into the next video.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living